Hey guys, my name is PJ. I'm going to be doing a critique, a review on the Monat hair system. I just got the shampoo and conditioner, the black shampoo and conditioner the other day. I've used it twice. So this is going to be the baseline. I'm also using the Monat Intense Repair, and I'm also using the Rejuvenate oil that's supposed to help hair growth. As you can see, I'm pretty hairy, like from here down. I've been growing my beard for a little over a year. Been growing my hair for a little over a year. I don't use any other products. I used to use the Pantene shampoo and conditioner, which was great. I don't have split ends. I lose a lot of hair though, mainly out of my beard. But I'm using this system. I'm also taking biotin, 10,000 milligrams, because my wife says it helps hair growth. So anyway, I'll try to let you get a close look at how bald and where my baldness is. If you can see that, I'll try to go slow. I know the camera doesn't zoom all that good, but I'll try to get in a little closer. Show you a little bit on the sides here. I know someone at work that's using this, and it's promoting hair growth on her very well. So anyway, this is the first one. I'll be doing this once a month, so stay tuned. Come back. Ciao.